Good morning students and welcome back to your science lecture. Today also we will learn our science chapter number 4, that is the brain and the senses. So under this chapter now we are learning the sense organs and how they work, and they work through the nerve system. They work through their nerve system, that also we are seeing here. Yes. So how many sense organ we are having? 5 sense organ mainly we are having. Which are that? Our eyes, our ears, our nose, our tongue, again skin. That 5 sense organ are major. Yes, and that we have to study mainly in this chapter. Skin is also sense organ, nose, then eyes, ear, all that sense organs, and all these organs are also connected as usual as all body organs with the nose to the brain. Yes, all these are connected through the nose to the brain. What sensation they get? They give message, the nose connected to that sense organ give message to the brain through the sensory nerve, and then our brain give reply to our body for the action, what we have to take, what we have to do through the motor nerve. ब्रेन किससे मैसेज भेजता है बॉडी को? मोटर नर्व से. और हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन जिसको पर्टिकुलर नर्व्स अटैच होते हैं वो मैसेज कौन से नर्व से भेजते हैं? सेंसरी नर्व से ब्रेन को मैसेज देते हैं. यस. So in this lecture we will learn about the ear. In last lecture we have seen about we have learned about the eye. Yes, how the eye function. Yes. Then now we will learn here about the sense organ ear. The ear. So how is the structure of ear that I have drawn? It is also given in your textbook. Yes. So this is our ear, external ear. It's having one hole. Yes, it's having hole. So this hole is this. So through this hole, sound vibrations of the sound pass inside the ear. What is the sound? What is sound? Sound is nothing but vibration. Sound is nothing but vibration, and our air vibrate. Now see, I am speaking through my mouth. I am speaking. So while I am speaking something, the air before my mouth is present, it get vibrate. Yes, it get vibrate. As I speak, it get vibrate, and these vibrations get converted into sound inside our ear. These vibrations of sound enters in our ear. Yes, when anyone speak, when around us there are many sound, that vibrations from that particular sound in the form of vibrations that only enter inside our ear. Sound ऐसे के ऐसे enter नहीं करता है. Sound क्या होता है? It is a form of vibration. Sound क्या होता है? वो vibration का ही एक form है. Yes. ये जो साउंड कहीं से भी जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो भी एक वाइब्रेशन से जा रहे हैं किसी के कान में, मेरे भी कान में, और कहीं से भी साउंड आता है तो वो वाइब्रेशन से हमारे कान में जाते हैं. ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो थ्रू आवर होल ऑफ ईयर द वाइब्रेशंस ऑफ द साउंड एंटर्स. यस, एंड दिस वाइब्रेशंस पास थ्रू द टनल व्हिच इज inside the ear. ये होल के पीछे क्या होता है? टनल होता है. कान के अंदर एक टनल होता है. This is that tunnel. Yes, at the end of hole, tunnel is present, and through this tunnel, sound vibration pass, and at the end of that tunnel, one flap is present. One flap of tissue is present. This flap is present at the end of tunnel. अभी यहाँ पर ये tunnel end हो गया. ये tunnel end हो गया. This is the tunnel of the ear. It is present after the eye hole. Yes, it is connected to eye hole, and from that the sound vibration enters through our ear, enters in our ear. So this vibrations of sound enter through the tunnel, and here at the end of that tunnel one flap is present. It is made up of tissue. It is known as eardrum. It is known as eardrum. That flap is known as eardrum. That eardrum also vibrate. When it get vibrations from everywhere, we are getting sound. That's why always it get vibrate, है ना? Always it get vibrate. So like तबला कैसे ऐसे continuously vibrate होता है, like that it get vibrate. Eardrum. Then these vibrations again reach to the tiny bones connected to the eardrum. ये eardrum के connection, eardrum को क्या connected होता है आगे? जैसे होल को टनल को एंड में eardrum कनेक्शन होता है, फिर eardrum को अटैच क्या होता है आगे? Tiny bones, and to that tiny bones here coil tube is attached. Coil tube is attached, and this coil tube is having liquid fluid. Fluid is having in this coil tube. Understand? So again I will repeat. Sound enters in the form of vibrations through that ear hole. Then it passes through the tunnel of the ear. Then eardrum is present at the end of that tunnel. Then that eardrum continuously get vibrate because of these vibrations, and then these vibrations again pass towards the tiny bone. This vibration pass towards the tiny bones, that also get vibrate. Yes, and these vibrations again reach towards the coil tube, which is attached to the tiny bones, which is attached to the tiny bones. So all these parts are connected to each other from ear hole to coil tube. Yes, from ear hole to coil tube, all these parts are attached. Oh, how many parts? How many parts are there? Ear hole, then tunnel, then tiny bones, then coil tube. Yes, and now the coil tube is having fluid. The coil tube is having fluid, and this fluid convert that vibrations of sound in the message. It get in that coil tube, particular type of cells are present, and the particular cell convert that vibrations of sound in the message of particular sound. वो साउंड किसका है, उसका मैसेज में कन्वर्शन होता है कहाँ पर? ये कॉइल ट्यूब में, और ये कॉइल ट्यूब को यहाँ पर नर्व्स अटैच होती है, नर्व्स अटैच होती है. नाउ दिस कॉइल ट्यूब इज अटैच्ड टू द नर्व्स, and these nerves gives the message of that particular sound to the brain. That nerves, that sensory nerves attached to the coil tube, that gives message to the brain from that coil tube. समझ में आया? तो साउंड वेव्स जो होते हैं, उसके वाइब्रेशन, उसके वेव्स जो होते हैं, वो हमारे ईयर के होल से एंटर होते हैं. दिस एंटर थ्रू दैट ईयर होल, then it pass through the tunnel, then the eardrum vibrates, and after that eardrum vibration, again this vibration pass towards the tiny bones, then that also get vibrate, then this vibration forward pass towards the coil tube, and inside that coil tube fluid is present. Inside that coil tube fluid is present, and that fluid also get vibrate. And here some particular types of cells are present. That particular cells convert that vibrations into particular sound, and that it get converted into particular type of message of that sound, and this message received from that sensory nerves attached to the coil tube, and these nerves give message to the brain through that sensory nerves, and in such a way we can hear each sound what we are getting. Yes, in this way we can hear the sound what we are getting from our surrounding. Yes, so this is the function of our ear. It is an internal structure of ear. All that labels you have to note down, you have to learn very well. What is that? It is a ear hole, it is a tunnel, it these are the tiny bones. Here coiled tube, it is having fluid, and this, then it is connected to nerves, and that nerves will give message to the brain. These are sensory nerves. This will give the message to the brain. Yes, what we are hearing, what sound we are getting. So this is the whole function of the ear. I hope you understood that. Try to draw that diagram. It is not compulsory, but try to draw that diagram. You have to draw in 8th standard that diagram again, so that from now you practice that. It is very easy to draw. You can see, but labeling is very important. And how it function, that step by step you have to note down. Here, from the diagram you can understand very well how our ear function. Step by step you have to learn here. Ear hole, then vibration pass through tunnel, the eardrum vibrate, then that vibration pass towards the tiny bone, then again that vibration goes to the coil tube, again the fluid of that coil tube get vibrate, and here that get converted into particular message of that particular sound, and the nerves which are attached to the coil tube that give the message to the brain, and then our brain will give order what we have to do, what action we have to do after the sound. If the sound is very noisy, if sound is bad sound, loud sound, then what we have to do? We have to move from that place. Otherwise, what we do? Immediately, if you are getting any sound of in a DJ, loud sound, bad sound you are getting, what you do? You immediately put your hands on the holes of the ear. So this message come from the brain through the motor nerves. As you are hearing that noisy noise, so immediately you do that action. And if your teacher is telling something so if your teacher is telling, note down that in your notebook, so you will do that, right? So what action you have to do, that your brain will give the message through the motor nerve. So this is the function of eye, and I hope you understood that way. Read this portion from textbook. It is very important. Write down the steps, write down the label, and again I am telling, everything you have to read from your textbook, then you will understand better that topic. And you can capture the screenshot by pausing the video, and you can draw that diagram.